Here we go.
What's that? Let me know. Let the audience know.
This is the vinyl, and this is the leather height we're going for the C10.
Oh, this is gonna be for the door jams right here.
Door jams and the seat. This is leather. This is leather.
This is leather.
Yeah. Look at the back.
If it's gonna be a cruiser, I want them to feel good in that seat. And this thing is heavy, bro. It's heavy.
Let's go. Let's go to the shop.
Alright guys, we're going back to check out the C10. It's at the shop.
We're gonna get some food, guys. We're gonna get some food.
I'm about to blow. Very strong. Damn it. Looks badass, bro. Well, where'd you get the wing from? That's badass. Don't race him, he's a cop.
He's a cop?
He's a cop.
He's a cop? He's a cop, bro?
Yeah, he has a badge and everything.
Right?
No, I'm not bullshit. Hell no. Bro, stop, he's a cop. I'm not bullshit. What's up?
Let me get the leather. Let me get the leather stuff so you can go show 'em.
What?
The leather?
Oh, yeah, okay. I really want this bike.
So, for the seat, we're gonna go with all black leather, and we're gonna add these little chrome accents in there. So you get them in there.
Yep. Alright.
So then everything's all blacked out with the red stitching.
The red stitching. What about the door handles?
The door handles?
Yeah. Cause I don't like that
we're
crocodile.
We're gonna get rid of all this gator, because all this old school. Let's take care of it.
I don't like that.
Sure.
Alright, I'll see you tomorrow then.
Sounds good, boss.
At what time are you gonna start trying to
you
work
can
on
stop
it?
by anywhere from like around 12.
12?
Yeah.
Cool. Good, bro.
Sounds good, bro.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Take care.
I bet you were popping hood, huh?
Huh?
You popped the hood.
I haven't popped the hood.
Yeah, you did. Look, it's open.
I haven't popped it. So.
No, hold on. Let's see.
We're gonna open it, the whole engine's gonna be gone.
Damn. Somebody was about to get in an accident. So yeah, we're gonna be going to a friend of mine, the one that cleaned the interior. We're gonna be cleaning the engine bay so it can look real clean with the hoses from the Nitrous kit. And I want to pop hood and be like, that's a V6 with Nitrous. We're gonna be doing that today. That lady's getting pissed. We're gonna test out the suspension going down this road because there's a lot of bumps, destruction, and everything. So we're gonna see how good this suspension is today. I got a 5.7 drop on this thing. Hold on, coffee. Hold on. Oh, you stupid little Land Rover. I just cleaned this truck, bro. Alright guys, so I'm at his place. He does his job, his work here. He's just gonna clean the engine bay right now. He's cleaning a 392 Hemi. This is a client or what?
Yeah, a little bit dirty, but
I'm gonna let him do his thing and then we're gonna clean Little Blue's engine bay. Damn, she a dirty girl. long you been doing this again before?
Like a year, 6 months.
Like it? I didn't even know you did engine bays. Damn, bro, this is bad. Got new control arms, got new tires. Damn, bro, this thing is sexy. Shit, huh?
You painted it?
This is on zip ties, huh? So I was like, yeah, just do what you gotta do. I'll try to fix it later on. Sadly, it didn't happen yet. I still haven't fixed it, but I have zip ties. Broke people problems. What's up? People were like, "Where's all your money at?" Right there. Appreciate it, bro. Nah, you're moving. All right, guys, so I'm gonna head out. I don't know if I want to go to Caesars for Horsepower Factory and show them the NOS kit. Maybe I'll like do a tune on it or something, because it doesn't have a tune on it, and we sprayed 150 shot and it took it like a champ. Jeremy believes that it can do a 200 shot no problem, but this is my daily, so I kind of don't want to risk it. Maybe if I had a different truck or something, you know, whatever the case is. What are you trying to do? What are you doing?
Oh, checking if it's sputter still.
The what?
Sputters.
Sputters?
Change the injector.
Mm.
I think you need to do the more. Put the top.
Damn, big old turbos.
No, I mean, I wasn't really on it. I was like $3 grand.
Damn, who's this is a customer right here?
Yeah.
I don't even want to look at this anymore. Hey, Caesar. Where's he at right now?
I think he's inside. Right?
Yeah.
He's outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Hey, where's Frank at? Over there. Came over here to see how much the tune is gonna be here. Tune this truck on Nitrous, see what it could do on the track. So I'm gonna talk to him about a tune, see what's going on. So what you think? What you think about the NOS V6 baby bottle?
Baby bottle? That's a lot of spray.
It still took it like a champ, bro.
I just go take it after quit.
I gave it a good amount. Maybe like 5, 6 shots. Maybe 7. Maybe 10. One of the solenoids is burnt out. Something. Yeah, I gotta replace one of the solenoids. It's working, but it's barely opening right now, so I gotta figure out what's going on. Just want to see if I can do a tune on it, see what goes down.
Caesar should be back.
Strong. It's just the sound. Alright guys, so I got my answer on how much the tune will be. It's reasonable. For the meantime, just want to check the motor, see what's going on, see some compression, change the oil a little bit thicker, fix the bearings on the wheel, try to basically getting the truck prepared. So yeah, I mean, I got the V6, so I work with what I got. That's pretty much it all today. I just had to make a video today, you know. So yeah, like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and